Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is our 5th day of our rice recipes. So guys, thank you for everything. And if this is your first time in this channel, you're welcome to this channel. Feel free to watch the video, feel comfortable to stay here and come back again. For my old subscribers, I love you all. You're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being there for me. So today we are going to make coconut milk jollof rice. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have already prepared stew. That is my leftover stew. There is no meat inside again, so I decided to transform it to this jollof rice with coconut milk. So guys, I have some cow skin, that is bomo, rice, some dry prawns. I have some coconut milk, some nutmeg, black pepper, Aromat, curry, garlic. That is this fresh garlic here, and I have Maggi, onion, crayfish, and I'm also going to use dried grounded pepper, salt to taste. For the olive oil, I don't really know if I will need it too, because you guys know now coconut has its own oil, so I don't want too much oil. Maybe if there is not much oil, I will add a little bit, or maybe I will not even use it safe. So guys, this is just all I'm going to use for this super wonderful yummy recipe. So now let's get started. So first, I will just pour my coconut water inside my pot. Then I'll pour the stew. I will just stir it together. Add some water. I will leave it to boil, to cook for a few minutes. So now I will just stir it and add all the other mixed ingredients, all the ingredients that I showed you guys before. I'll just pour everything in here. Then I'll add my crayfish. I'll add my pepper, then some salt. So time for me to add the rice. So I'll just give it a very nice stirring. I'll stir everything together. I'll add my momo so that it will cook together with the rice. Then I'll add my dry prawns. I'll just add my fresh garlic. If you don't want to eat garlic, guys, don't put it. Oh, you know me, I like garlic, so if you don't want it, don't put it. Oh. Then I add my Maggi. Then I will just cover it with the aluminium paper. Then I will lower the heat. I will leave it to cool, to cook. You just need to lower the heat so that it will not get burnt. So you have to lower the heat. So guys, as you can see, look at my rice. Wow. And I leave it to get burnt a little bit at the bottom so that it will have that burnt smell. I like it so much. Then I'll just add my onion. You guys know I love onions. There's nothing you can do about that. If you don't want onion, don't put. But me, I will put. So that is all. I will leave it for just 1 minute. The rice is ready. So guys, you see, this one is so yummy. Try it out, guys. Make sure you try this one out, guys. So we have come to the end of this video. This is the result of the rice, guys. It's so tasty. I love it so much. So you guys try it out yourself. If you have your leftover stew, you know, in Africa sometimes our mother, they don't have money to buy meat, or maybe like in my house, so I don't know about your house. We just manage everything we have at home to cook any kind of rice. So I said I should just share it with you guys. Sometimes in Europe it happens like that. Maybe we cannot go to the market, we are so busy. we just manage the thing we have at home to cook our rice. So guys, that is all, and I'm so happy that I share this video with you guys. And I want to say thank you for those that have subscribed to my channel, for the love you have been showing me, for the support. I so much appreciate, and I'll continue trying my best to put more video there. So thank you, thank you, thank you. That is just all I have to say, because I don't have much to say. And if you have not subscribed, and if you like what you are seeing in this channel, please subscribe. Mona, subscribe. What are you guys waiting for? What are they wait? Nigeria people, subscribe to my channel. So guys, so you can see more recipes, and share the video, like, and leave a comment. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Is the last day, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye bye, my lovely ones. Ciao. Be good, stay good, love your neighbor as yourself.